Hi everyone, this is Bev from Bev Creative Ideas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make wall shelvings using the capsules from the mini brands. So first what you would need is your capsule. We're using the large ones. Next, foam board to cut out the top of the shelving for your capsule. And then next, I'll call this my support that goes inside the capsule so your shelving won't sink down inside once you have it all cut out and everything here. And once you have it cut out, I have a piece already cut out here. Once you have it cut out, put your support in the inside. Put on the top of your shelving here, like that. And I'm using Velcro to attach my shelving to the wall. You might not want to do that for your dollhouse, but I'm going to use Velcro for mine. And I already have a shelf made with Velcro on the back here. And all you do is just stick it to your wall if you want to use Velcro, or you might use some other type of attachment. And I'm going to add a flower here. And there you have it. Quick and easy shelving for your dollhouse. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.